Hi, my name is Gabby and this is my first YouTube video. I felt too awkward to talk directly to the camera, so this is a voiceover. Anyways, this is my everyday makeup. Hope it's kind of helpful for any makeup beginners out there. Let's get started! So first off, which I use like every day, I'm putting on the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I think this is a really good primer because your face looks really glowy, and also the purple tint kind of cancels out any discoloration just a little bit. And I like massaging it in an upwards motion. Next, I'm using the Too Faced Multi-Use Concealer. This is kind of not really a no makeup day, but a no foundation makeup day. So I'm just kind of dotting it everywhere and use the Ecotools sponge to blend it out. So I like the shape of this sponge since it has that triangle shaped point that's easy for blending out under eye concealer. So I started using the flat side of the sponge, but then I switched to the rounded butt end, if you will. I think it's easier for just bouncing and blending the concealer for larger areas of the face. I'm also focusing on just the larger areas right now, so it's just kind of lightly evening out the skin as a whole. I'm going to go in with spot concealing right after this. So now I'm spot concealing some really stubborn acne scars. I like blending this out with my finger because I want fuller coverage on these little spots, and I don't want the concealer getting diluted by the sponge. I also do spread it out a little bit around the spots, but then I make sure to blend the outside of the area into the rest of my skin. I prefer blending with my fingers since the heat melts it in, and I think it looks more seamlessly blended into the under eye area. Next, I'm patting it in with a sponge instead of spreading around, because again, I want to keep it in the same area. Okay, next up I'm filling in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. First, I'm gonna brush up with the spoolie on one end. I like to start with the tail end of my brows and going with the grain, so the natural direction that my hair grows. So towards the end of my brows, I don't know if you can tell, but the hairs grow downwards, so that's the way I kind of maintain the direction of the pencil strokes as well. Does that make sense? I do a lot of brushing out to get it even. Next, I'm going in with a clear brow gel, also from Anastasia. And I just got this, and I really like it. I did just with my brows for the gym the other day, and it really held. Okay, now I am tightlining my upper waterline with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. Just a sample from, I think, the Sephora VIP Perks points. Anyways, I think this really makes a big difference in like both how like it makes my eyes bigger and my lashes look fuller. I also got a curl. Okay, now I'm going in with some waterproof mascara. My eyelashes are pretty long. They're just very straight, so I like using a waterproof formula to hold the curl as long as I can. Try and focus on the outside ends of my lashes too. So next up I'm gonna bronze because I am pretty pale this winter. I have the original shade of the butter bronzer. I know there's a darker one that they came out with, but I haven't tried it yet, so this one takes a lot of building up, but I don't really mind that. I like my bronzer to look pretty natural. I also like to go across the bridge of the nose. Okay, next I'm gonna line my lips with this NYX lip liner. I don't think I hear people talking about this lip liner, but it's so good. Okay, so I said I was lining my lips with this lip liner, but I'm actually just gonna fill in completely. I think it has a really nice matte finish. So you could either leave it at just this. For today, I just kind of felt like using this gloss bomb from Fenty. It smells really nice. It was kind of overwhelming at first, but it's really pretty. So here's my finished everyday look. I hope this video was kind of helpful. Maybe give some ideas, or it's good for beginners. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.